how are you doing? Welcome back to the Yorkshire Bike Mechanics YouTube channel. My name's Dave K. I hope you're all well and you're all having a good week wherever you are. And it's freezing again today. -2, bit of snow on floor. Oh, Sober Bridge, it's cold this morning. Anyway, today in the workshop we have a humdinger belting seat post removal to do. This is an orange 5, it's an older one, okay, and the seat post, it's a reverb seat post and it's stuck, it will not come out. So we've got the beast out of its cave and we've set it all up in this jig and we're going to pull it out. Let's see what happens. Let's crack on. Hey, what a bang! Hey, what a bang that was. It's out. This thing never hardly fails to get any seat post out. It's an amazing thing. So it's out, customer happy. The seat post is what you call foobarred because it were broken before it came into workshop. I think he's tried to get it out himself and it's damaged. But anyway, it's out of the bike, no damage to the frame. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Please leave your comments below. Toodle pip.